Hey, hey, hey. I'm watching while filming another video YouTube video. I'm watching another video. I got this, this kind of fur. It's from my mini twist, and I did a video how I unravel those twists. Now I'm going to do a simple hairstyle for the next week. Next week. And oh my god. Normally I would like twist my hair, but my hair is already untwist, so I would just go ahead and not wait one day to to twist again and then do my bun. Favorite gel of all time, which is the Eco Styler gel. I know it doesn't work for everybody, but it works for me, so fuck you. I'm joking, don't come for me in the comment, okay? So different type of eco styler can work for you. You just need to know how to apply this, because I have fussy hair and it works like. But in today's tutorial I'm going to use this gel, and I do it a review with, to be honest with you, I don't use it like at all. I use my green one because my green one is the MVP, but in this tutorial I'm going to use this one. Makeup Black Castor Oil. And then I'm going with my leave-in conditioner, which is the Repair Cream by Shea Butter. But I don't use that because they added, like recently, but a year ago, I mean, they added like a product sulfate, which is bad for your hair. But I paid those dollars, so I'm going to use it again. Like, I'm going to use it anyway. So say what you want. Natural hair community, come for me. So I finally found how the low puff I want to do, but I didn't record that, so let's start again. Now I'm not looking for like a specific like slick hairstyle, but I want my hair in the front to be slick, so I start with a pretty good base, then I try this, and then I try to move the front only. So this style should take you, what time it is? 85 minutes of this. So oh my god, I'm so pissed I don't find any of my headbands. So temporary is me. Then oh no. But yeah. Now push your hair to the back. It's so complicated to push that hair to the back, but you understand. Then like this, I just push my hair, the band, in the back, so it will be like low. Slowly push the hair. Once it's at the desired hair position you want, you just need to make a knot, like close it and then do the same thing. Now my hair at the back is really like, it's not moving, like then Yeah. And I don't do no edges, but I mean you can. Oh, it took me so long to film this, but this is legit my hair. Like, you see. It kind of reminded me of when I did a video about this, like a ponytail looking like this, like my real hair. It was like the 4C coily. I will put the link down below so you can check it out. So subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.